Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce Pardot for marketing automation step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce Pardot for marketing automation, first, log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner. Search for Pardot in the app launcher search bar. Click on the Pardot app to open it. If this is your first time using Pardot, you will need to set up your environment. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your Pardot account details. Set up your Pardot domains by going to the admin menu. Select Domain Management to add and verify domains for tracking. Once your domains are verified, go to the admin menu again. Click on Connector to set up the Salesforce connector. Enable the Salesforce connector and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Next, configure your syncing options in the connector settings. Once you've set up the connector, navigate to the Marketing menu. Select Emails to create your first email campaign. Click on New Email to start building your email content. Make sure to include your business branding and a clear call to action. Once your email is ready, test it to ensure everything works properly. After testing, schedule or send the email to your target audience. Next, explore the Forms section to create lead generation forms. Select New Form to build forms for your marketing campaigns. Customize the form fields and layout to fit your needs. After saving, embed the form on your website or landing pages. To analyze your efforts, go to the Reports section in Pardot. Review the performance metrics of your email campaigns and forms. Adjust and optimize your strategies based on the insights gained. Continue to create and manage automated campaigns as needed. Regularly check back on your settings and configurations for updates. With these steps completed, your Salesforce Pardot is now activated for marketing automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.